Hello everyone and welcome back to the Cool Tech channel. In today's video I want to talk about email size issues, size restrictions. Have you ever tried to send an email and gotten an error message or a size restriction or a bounce back? Here's how to address that. And this is specifically with Office 365 or Microsoft 365. This does not apply to different email service providers. So if you have a different email service provider, make sure to check the notes on your specific provider. This is only Microsoft 365. So first of all, you want to go to the admin center by typing in admin.microsoft.com in your browser of choice, whether that's Google Chrome or Edge or whatever your email browser is. Once you enter your username, and you have to be logged in as an admin, as an administrator. So you enter your email, your password, or your username and password. Again, it has to be an admin user. Authenticate, log in, and then once you're in, you're going to go to the Exchange Admin Center. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So once you're logged in to your admin portal in Microsoft 365, you're going to go to Show All to expand this area here, this pane if it's not expanded. And you're going to go to the Exchange Admin Center right here. So you see how there's like a bunch of admin centers. The one we're interested in and the one where you can address this issue from within is the admin or the Exchange Admin Center. Sometimes they use a three-letter acronym for this. You'll see them mentioning it as EAC. You'll see that in some of the documentation, and that's what that is, Exchange Admin Center. Once you're there, you want to expand recipients if it's not already expanded and displaying, and then go to mailboxes, and then go to the respective user that you're trying to make this change for, and then you're going to go to mailbox, and under mailbox, here's the option we're talking about. So by default, it's this size right here. So this is in kilobytes. So this is like 35,840 kilobytes, which is approximately 35 MB or 35 megabytes. So if you're trying to send a lot of pictures, images, videos, that type of stuff, the email gets pretty big easily if you're doing a lot of images. So if you're in the business of sending images or working with photos or videos, then you want to take a look at this and make sure this is set to the right size that fits and works for you. Now you can max the size, you can use the maximum size. So if you want to just copy this number right here, this is the max size you can set right here. You can just copy that and bring it over here. And this first field here is for sent messages, and the second field here is for received messages. If you want to max it out, you can do that. Once you're done, save. And it gives you a message here telling you that it might take up to 5 minutes for this to propagate or to apply the change. But that's pretty much it. Once you're done, give it a few minutes, and then you should be able to send large-sized emails and not get that annoying bounce-back message that you have a restriction. Or if people are trying to send you a large image or a large sized email or something, and they're getting that message on their end, telling them that your email service does not allow those large messages, then this should address that as well. Hopefully this was helpful. Again, please folks, subscribe, share the video, share the knowledge with others, and hope you found some benefit. And until next time, take care everybody. Bye.